Hey everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use on your device. So firstly, let's enter the phone dialer because this is the place where we'll enter all of those codes. Let's tap on the dial and let me show you the first code, which is also the shortest one. It is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as you can see, as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check those events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426#*##. And as you can see, we are in a diagnostics. Here we can check the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. What's more, we can tap on events and here we receive some further technical details. After tapping on this three dots icon, trust me, here we've got three dots icon, just tap on it and we can show advanced view. After tapping on the status again, we can check some further details, for example, like network type or HB algorithm. Let me get back because that's all for this code, and let me show you the last one, which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636#*##. And as I said, we are in a testing mode, so we can check phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Let's begin with the phone info, and here we've got the information like the email, car network, data service or voice service. What's more, we can run ping test here and we will receive the results. We can tap on this three dots icon. Again, trust me, here we've got this icon. We can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's get back, let's check usage statistics, and as you can see here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are right now on this device, and here we can check, because they are sorted by usage time, we can check for how long we've been using it. So for example, we've been using settings for almost 10 minutes. What's more, we can tap on this usage time and change the sorting time to the last time used or app name. So obviously after tapping, for example, on the app name, all of them will be listed alphabetically. So let's get back and enter the Wi-Fi information, and here we can check the API configuration or the status. Let's begin with the status, for example, and after refreshing the stats we can check some technical info like network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.